Hello children, welcome to your grammar class. In my last class I had described you the verbs and its kind. The only thing that was left behind was the linking verb. Now before we proceed to do the exercises, it's essential that I help you to understand what a linking verb is, or what do you understand by a verb of incomplete predication or incomplete verb. Now, I hope you have understood transitive and intransitive verbs. Verbs with object, verbs which require an object, those are known as transitive. Those are known as the transitive verbs. Verbs which do not require an object, they are known as intransitive verbs. So, verbs which are complete in itself and does not require anything, those are intransitive verb. And transitive verbs are, you need an object after that. Now, what is then verbs of incomplete predication? Now, verbs of incomplete predication are also known as verbs of incomplete predication are those verbs which require a complement, something, but definitely that is not an object. Okay, so these verbs are neither transitive nor are they intransitive, but however they require a complement. A complement is a short phrase after the verb which will other than answering to what, they will answer anything. They may answer you anything else. Those are known as verbs of incomplete predication. Now, if you look in your book, page number 50, you will see point number 3, kinds of verbs. 6 verbs are given. The woman filled the pail with water. Filled what? The pail. So, the verb filled requires an object, which is the pail. So, it is transitive. The soldiers fired what? Their guns. So, the first 2 sentences are transitive verb. In the next 2 sentences, if you see, he kneeled. It is complete. It does not require anything. He kneeled to pray. People crowded. Again, this is also complete without anything. So these are intransitive verbs. They do not require any phrase to make themselves complete. Again, an example will make this further clear. If you look at page 50, the last thing, here it's written, we must eat food every day. And there is another thing which says, another sentence where we have, it is written, we must eat every day. Now, when I say we must eat, what? Food. In this case, the verb eat has been used transitively because it requires an object. In the second case, we must eat every day. So here every day is not essential. Even if you write we must eat, the sentence is absolutely complete. It does not require this every day to be written there. So here eat has been used intransitively. Now, what is verb of incomplete predicament? If you see, coal, gas and coal are what? Fuels. So here are has been used. It is absolutely incomplete. The are requires something to be completed. He is a good runner. The dog looks dangerous. You appear well today. So in these cases, when the verb requires a complement to complete themselves, those verbs are known as the verbs of incomplete predicament. Now, if you see, and here the verbs are linking verb, are, is, looks, appear. So these things are example. These verbs are these verbs are called verbs of incomplete predication, and those are also linking verb. Now another example will make it further clear. Try to concentrate here. In the sentence, I felt what? The stones. So here you have an object. So here the verb has been used transitively. Now in the second sentence, the dead cannot feel. Now here feel does not require any object and it is absolutely complete without any object. So here it is used intransitively. Now here we all felt. We all felt what? Sad at the bad news. Now if you see, we all felt sad at the bad news. Here felt is incomplete without this phrase. We felt how? Sad at the bad news. Now here's the verb felt is the linking verb. Okay. Now because here you don't get the answer what after the verb. So this is the complement of the verb. Can you smell what? Smoke. Transitive. I have got a cold and I can't smell. Intransitive. The fish smells bad. How? Bad. So here smell is linking these two things, fish and bad, and it is verb of incomplete predication. So a complement is related to the subject of the sentence. A link verb is so called because it links a subject and a complement. The complement describes or identifies the subject. So the fish is bad. So it is smelling bad. So this bad is actually identifying the fish. So here smell is linking verb. So in sentence 1 and 4, stones and smoke are objects. In sentence 2 and 5, the verbs feel and smell has no objects. So they are intransitive verb. In sentence 3 and 6, sad and bad are complements. So they are verbs of incomplete predication. Now let us look at the exercises. Now in this exercise we are supposed to find out the transitive and intransitive verb. Number 1 to 10 was done and number 11 to 20 was given for your homework. She brought a green hat. Brought what? Green hat. So transitive. They traveled by night. They traveled is complete by itself. It does not require the phrase by night. So it is intransitive. She writes well. She writes again is complete. It does not require the word well. So it is also intransitive. The boys were singing. The boys were, see, the boys were singing again. It is intransitive because it does not require any other thing. It's complete. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets is itself complete. It does not require in the west. So it is intransitive. The rose, we grow roses. We grow what? Roses. So transitive. They were laughing and singing. Intransitive. He carried a comb. He carried what? A comb. So transitive. She enjoyed what? Her vacation. Transitive. The rain continued all the week. The rain continued. It is absolutely complete. It does not require the phrase all the week. So it is intransitive. Now exercise number 2. Here you were supposed to provide a suitable object. This I am not discussing. You can see the answer. You can also write your own answers here. It is not necessary that you write these answers. Now, exercise number 3. You need to find out direct and indirect object. I hope you remember. If you get answer to the question what, that is, if the object is a thing, that is a direct object, and if the object is a human being or any other living thing, it is indirect object. That is, if you find an answer to the question whom, then it is indirect object. I gave whom? My friend. So person, indirect. What? A book, direct. She sent whom? Him, indirect. What? A letter, direct. My friends brought whom? Me, a person, indirect. What? Present, thing, direct. So in this way, all your exercises have been done. I mean, exercise number 3 has been done. This is pretty easy. Now exercise number 4 is a little tricky. Here you need to concentrate. Now, he wasted what? His time. in idle talks. Now here it is wasted is a transitive verb. She spoke. Now she spoke is itself complete. It does not require any object. So it is an intransitive verb. It does not require any object or any complement. But still a phrase has been used, so it is intransitive. The film sounds. Now see here verb. The verb sounds is incomplete without something. Sounds how? Interesting. So this interesting is the complement and it is the verb of incomplete predication. So IP. We missed what? The bus. Transitive. She enjoyed what? Her vacation. Transitive. Rani is, now see, is incomplete without something, is guilty. So again, it is verb of incomplete predication and is the linking verb. The dog looks. The dog looks, again, incomplete. It requires something, dangerous. So again, it is verb of incomplete predication. The bus stopped suddenly. Bus stopped how? Suddenly. Incomplete predication. She seems unhappy. She seems how? She seems, again, it is incomplete. It requires something. So it is also incomplete predication. The farmer grows what? Potatoes. So it is transitive verb. He has grown. He has grown. It is pretty complete. He has grown old. So it is intransitive. No, he has grown old. It would be a verb of incomplete predication. And grown would be linking verb. He has grown. It is not completed. She felt what? Rain. So this is transitive. She feels how? Happy. So this is she feels. It is incomplete. So it is again incomplete predication. Oranges grow. It is complete. It does not require anything. So it is intransitive. A lion appeared. Again, lion appeared. This is also complete in itself. So it does not require any object. It is intransitive. Now you can see exercise number 5. It has been solved. I'll also send you a PDF. You will also get a PDF along with this, wherein you can see all the exercises, pictures of all the solved exercises. But still, you can see I have solved all the exercises. I hope you understood what I taught you regarding the verbs in this video. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.